What if the most terrifying moment of your day was triggered by a part of your brain that thinks it's saving your life? Your heart slams. Your breath shortens. Your chest tightens. It feels like something is terribly wrong. But nothing is. No danger. No threat. No emergency. Just your brain pressing the panic button. Inside your brain lives a tiny structure called the amygdala, your built-in threat detector. Its job is survival. It scans everything you see, hear, and think, looking for danger. When it senses a threat, it doesn't ask permission. It instantly activates your fight-or-flight system. Adrenaline surges. Your pulse spikes. Your muscles tense. Your breathing accelerates. This reaction is ancient. It evolved to save you from predators, accidents, and life-threatening situations. And when danger is real, it's brilliant. But there is another part of your brain, the prefrontal cortex responsible for logic and reasoning. Normally, it reviews the situation and tells your alarm system, false alarm, you're safe. When that communication works, your body calms down. When it doesn't, panic happens. Here is what's happening to you. During a panic attack, your alarm system fires before your logic can respond. Your body reacts first. Your thoughts scramble second. You feel danger without knowing why. And because your brain hates uncertainty, it tries to explain the sensations. Something's wrong with me. I'm losing control. I might die. Those thoughts intensify the fear, which intensifies the symptoms, which intensifies the fear again. You get trapped in a loop your own nervous system created. The worst part, the more you fear panic, the more sensitive your alarm system becomes. Eventually it starts reacting to harmless triggers, crowded rooms, silence, memories, even your own thoughts. It feels like your mind has turned against you, but it hasn't. It's just miscalibrated. Your brain has one extraordinary ability. It rewires itself based on what you repeatedly do. This is called neuroplasticity, and it means you can retrain your panic response. Here's how. First, interrupt the alarm. When panic rises, ground yourself in reality. Name 5 things you see, 4 things you feel, 3 things you hear, 2 things you smell, 1 thing you taste. This forces your brain to switch from fear mode to awareness mode. You're proving to your nervous system that you're safe right now. Second, use your breath as a command signal. Slow breathing tells your body there's no emergency. Try this pattern. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Repeat. This rhythm activates your calming nervous system and literally sends a biological message that the threat is over. Third, challenge the story. Panic always comes with a story your mind tells. This is dangerous. Question it. Ask, what evidence do I have? Has this happened before? What's the most realistic outcome? Each time you question fear, instead of obeying it, you weaken panic's grip and strengthen your control. So, here's the takeaway. Panic is not your enemy. It's a survival system that learned the wrong lesson. Your brain isn't broken. It's trained. And what was trained can be retrained. Every calm breath you take, every fearful thought you challenge, every moment you stay present, you are literally rewiring your brain to feel safe again. You are not at the mercy of panic. Panic is at the mercy of what you practice. If this helped you understand what's really happening inside your mind, subscribe for more videos that decode the science of your thoughts, emotions, and behavior. Share this with someone who struggles with anxiety. It might be the explanation they needed, but never heard. And remember, these tools are powerful. But if panic is interfering with your life, reaching out to a mental health professional can be like, because when you understand your mind, you finally start to master it.